RJ from Carlsbad, New Mexico has a question about a doghouse.
He is designing quite the Taj Mahal for his dogs for their intense summers. And RJ writes, I want a window AC and heater unit in it, insulation, a fully sealing door. When something closed, it'll seal in there. Should I go with an exposed rafter roof with insulation and radiant barrier between the rafters and seal it off as an attic?
I'd seal it off only because the dogs will start chewing on everything.
Oh.
So you've got dogs love to chew, especially if you lock them in a little box. They get a little bored. Yes. They're going to go at it. So at least most dogs that I've ever had, they don't like to be locked up. But as far as that, well, I guess the cages today, but I don't understand. I'm not a dog person. I'm a kitty cat person. But as far as that goes, I would not leave exposed insulation. I think it will make your dog sick, and they might probably going to tear right into it.
My dogs love to sleep in their little kennels at night. We have 3 of them.
Yeah, I've heard that.
They go in there.
They'll walk right in at night and
they
sleep.
do.
They feel safe.
Well, they don't walk right in. Sandy throws a treat in there, and then they go in. But you come in the morning, and there they are.
Well, where are they going to go?
Well,
they're caged in.
But this is quite a proposition he's got here, this idea of building an air-conditioned, heated doghouse.
Do you know where the original one was?
No.
Do you remember Jim Baker and Tammy Baker?
Yeah.
They had one like
that?
They had a big air-conditioned doghouse. Yes.
Okay.
So.
I get what he's trying to do here. But,
take care of his dogs.
But you make a good point. You have to think like a dog when you're in there and make sure that this stuff is protected.
I designed and built this doghouse once when we had a dog, and I made it like Frank Lloyd Wright. It was beautiful. Yeah. The next day, the dog chewed half the roof off. I was so mad. No. Luckily, I got some pictures of it first.
Geez, why are you a cat person? It's a mystery to me.
I just am.
You may have a question, whether you're a dog person or a cat person. We show no bias and no judgment. But you can go ahead and send us your questions. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. Fill out that Ask Tom form. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition.